To assemble the Fridja f1500 high pressure clothes steamer, start by unpacking all parts of the steamer. Step 1. Fully extend and tighten all segments of the telescope pole by rotating the pole clockwise. Step 2. Unfold the hanger and place on top of the telescopic pole. Step 3. From the bottom of the pole, add the ironing board support fixture, ensuring it's the correct way up. Step 4. Position the telescopic pole into the main body of the steamer and turn the pole nut clockwise until tightened. Step 5. Unlock the supporting brackets on the ironing board and hang the ironing board onto the clothes hanger. Then, secure the ironing board to the support fixture, ensuring that the ironing board is taut. Step 6. Plug in the hose connector into the main unit until you hear it click and hang the steamer head onto the head hanger. Fill the tank with water, press the on button and wait for the pressure to reach 5 bars. Now you're ready to steam.